We usually download applications, pictures, music files from our browser. They are all saved in the Downloads folder by default. Because of that, many useless files will pile up in your Mac and take up valuable storage space. That's why Macube Cleaner is highly recommended. Macube Cleaner is an all-in-one Mac cleaner that can remove all downloaded files and the download history in a quick click. Check out the video below the link to get Macube Cleaner for free, and let's see how it works. Launch Macube Cleaner. In the home interface, choose the privacy option at the left sidebar. Click Scan and wait for it. After the scanning, choose the specific browser you want to erase the downloads. Here you can choose to delete downloads of Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox. Check options of downloaded files and downloaded history, and then click Clean button to clear the Chrome downloads and download history on your Mac. If you are seeking for the way to permanently remove downloads on MacBook or iMac, Macube Cleaner can be a big helper. The eraser function in Macube Cleaner allows you to completely delete download files and no one can restore them in any form. This is all for today. Thanks for your watching. You can also subscribe our channel to know more useful skills.